So I was just walking by, I saw this wonderful stuff from CardBoard here, and I stopped to ask about it, and I believe you're the person in charge. Can you tell me who you are and a little bit about this project?
Okay. I'm Barbara Licia Mauti. I'm the lab technician in Laboratorio Modelli e Prototipi of the Department of Architecture at the University of Roma 3.
Perfect.
And our project is called Urban Retreat. Maybe Ryan has a better English than mine, so
Okay.
you could present our project.
I am Ryan. I am one of students of the Department of Architecture of Roma 3, and our project is Urban Retreat. And basically, it's a project that contains all our ideas of eco-sustainability and upcycling. Most of the projects that you can see in our stand are made from the student of the department, and with the help of Laboratorio Modelli e Progetti, we are making of this idea to our reality. So basically, we are using the word upcycling because we are taking all the materials and we intercept before they're coming to the rubbish dump. So many agency for the Italian law, when it comes to the dump, we can reuse it for other stuffs. So we are intercept before they're coming to the dump. So we are using and giving to them a new life. So the example are the chair that we are making. That most of them are making from TV boxes, package box, cardboards. So the reaction of many people is, it's very solid, and I have a little bit afraid that if I sit on that, it can destroy or something like that. So this is our project, and it gives the possibility to our students to interface with agencies and give a little bit of experience of work before we finish our studies.
I see.
So this was an interesting experience for us.
Yes, and the chair is extremely rigid. It stood up to 2 days of Maker Faire so far, so that's very surprising that it can be so solid and made only out of cardboard.
It's almost a year.
This one's almost a year old.
Almost a year old.
Oh wow, that is incredible.
At the Formula E here in Rome,
Uh-huh.
we had a stand also, and in an exhibition at Maxi, that is a museum here in Rome. And
So it's
as you
almost
can
a
see,
year. That's
yeah,
crazy.
almost a year.
That's
Yeah,
crazy.
and we want to thank our agencies that will help us with the materials like Brico, like other companies that Calma that gives some suggestion about to construct some parts of our chairs, and other partners like Jevesan that help us with transportation and the materials too. So with the help of these little bigger agencies, profit and non-profit, we started to build up our project, and we hope it gets bigger in the few years.
This is fantastic. Now, you were mentioning some of the designs like this, they have wood on the sides. You were mentioning even that is recycled as well, correct?
For example, this kind of chair, I'm the designers, and it's wood. It belongs from a package box from Art Stuffs, and the artist is Iago, and he has a new. No,
I don't
okay.
know if it is.
It's okay, but there's art supplies that come in the crates, and
Yeah.
you use the wood.
And the idea of this chair that it can be transformable, because the idea is coming from toys children. The children are very curious with their toys, so they like to flip it around. So my idea is to make a designer chair that can be a chair, a bench, or even a table. So I can do a demonstration.
Yeah.
So now it's a chair, but if you turn it around, it's becoming a table.
Ah, I see.
So you can put your
It can be like a desk. Yeah.
legs there, so
Yeah.
you can use it as a table, and depends on how you modulate all the parts of the project. It can be longer, it can be shorter, or you can put other modules of this, so you can have different
I see.
kinds of transformation of our project.
That is very cool. That is very cool. So if somebody was watching this video
Yeah.
and they wanted to learn more about the project, is there a website that they could go to learn more?
We have a website, so
Can I show this on video?
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. So I'll put this up here if you want to learn more. There's the information, there's the website, and it looks like there is also an email address that you can use.
the first link is our Instagram that you can.
Oh, I
message
see.
us,
Yes. Okay.
And
Yeah.
you can see the latest products that we made.
All right. Perfect. Perfect. Thank you so much for explaining this to me. And
so
I think
much.
people will really enjoy this.